Yeah, hey everybody, welcome back to Serve at Scale. This is our community podcast where we look at what can you borrow to build, what can you leverage to launch, what tools, tech, software, services, products, or platforms allow you to 10x your audience, your output, your impact, and ultimately your income on a bootstrap budget. So in this short video, it's not a podcast, this is actually a video in our community, which I'll also be publishing to YouTube. I wanted to look at Card again from the standpoint of building an entire uh, online marketing agency around one of the most innovative and affordable tools that is available to all of us, regardless of budget. So, Card, if a couple things. One, a lot of people in our community are finding themselves buying all these expensive products or courses and how to start these online agencies or web development studios, et cetera, et cetera. And most of that stuff, as we all intuitively kind of know in our bones, it's bullshit. I mean, you're not going to get rich using some ridiculous strategy that some 18-year-old kid is pushing on YouTube. But what you can do very quickly is build a ethical, viable, valuable digital media brand or publishing platform using cool tools, software, and or services that are available to all of us. Again, with a very minimum threshold of investment. So Card, I can't understand why people don't simply do the following, one of the following things. Just go out and sign up for a Card account like this, right? You can see this is the exact platform that I'm using for lots of our own offers, client campaigns, etc., etc. It costs in total a couple $100, I think, and I have like the maximum amount of Card installations that you can have uh, with either myself or with a partner. I think we each have like 150, licenses in quotes, which just means we have the ability to create 150 sites each in our accounts, and I think it cost me $150 when I signed up for that. And with a couple premium themes, so you can see something like this is a premium theme, which costs like again like almost nothing. This came from work.co, which is the a new uh, card theme shop. I'm saying this badly. Let me just show you this actually instead. You can see this site live. Now, I mean, you can do this for clients in, I mean, this took me the better part of 45 minutes to build for a, new campaign that we're working on. This is actually, I'm not going to show you the bottom of this because it has some pricing tables that I don't want to reveal publicly. But, I mean, this stuff is so damn easy to do, and you can do this on Card for clients in a GIF. Now, you can also copy these and use the same basic template as a web design studio, for an example, and just customize it content-wise for each client that you have. Now, you're not going to get clients automatically. What you can do is either run ads or or email offers, and either one of those, preferably both, works like magic, right? So all you have to do is target your niche, target your vertical, your locality, whatever it is that whatever target market you're trying to attract. Either run local ads on something like Facebook or Instagram, which I have very little experience with, but Facebook certainly I do, and that works. Or you can simply email people using a very simple template. We have templates posted for this that you can copy, where you're simply saying a couple simple things. Hi, my name is Ian. Let's say we're approaching authors in the mindfulness space, which is true. I would simply just go and look for mindfulness, meditation, spiritual growth style authors and email them and send emails and say, hey, Joe, just checked out your book, Mindfulness Made Easy. Really enjoyed it. or I think it looks great. I noticed that you're using a very remedial landing page for your book launch. Would you be interested in chatting on the phone about some cool and creative ways that we can really amp up the aesthetic of your book launch landing page, which I'm fairly confident will translate into more sales? And if you do that repeatedly, right, you reach out to people and you show them an example, and you may not want to show them an example on the first email that you send, right? You may actually want to instead get them on the phone. You are going to get clients, right? If the quality of your work that you can demonstrate is good, right? People are going and is superior to that which they're already using. You're going to make sales, right? So I'll show you. I mean, again, there are just tons and tons of these. Here is actually GetBlurt, which is what we're using for our landing page for the Idea Incubator and Brand Accelerator for online entrepreneurs with a need for speed, right? Just a little goofy campaign on a 3-day, marketing service, right? Collect, connect, and convert. I mean, this took, again, just minutes to do using Card, and not only can we use this to sell our own services, but I can duplicate this and offer a customized landing page for a client who wants to build a list, who wants to sell a book, who wants to promote a podcast, et cetera, who wants to embed a testimonial wall of love sort of thing like we have here, right? It's all very easy to do with Card, much easier than doing the same thing on Squarespace or WordPress or Shopify. It's certainly much cheaper. The other thing I wanted to recommend to those of you who are watching this on YouTube, which ain't that many people, but for those of you who are still paying attention, you can also do reviews, right, using Card. So here is an example of a review of the Circle app, right? So I'm using Card for that. It makes it very easy to. You can see here. This is an affiliate link to Circle, which is the the software as a service alternative to something like Buddy Press or Facebook groups or Mighty Networks. Circle is we use for our own private community, and I have some videos embedded here, and all these are links to Circle, and this gets some organic traffic. I send people from YouTube to this page, and if they click on any of these links or watch the videos, they land on Circle, and as you can see up top, that's my affiliate link right there. I think you can see that. All right, so you can build an entire affiliate marketing business on Card by doing just this, and this is really this simple. You can see all I do is I copy the same template and I change it for the product that I'm reviewing and promoting as an affiliate. So here's another one. You'll see it looks the same. It's now a different video. It's now a different affiliate link. But the same general heuristic or framework or template is applied, right? And it's the same general thing that allows me to really quickly build 10, 20, 30 of these review sites in rapid fire turnaround time, with a minimum investment of technology, tools, or otherwise. All right, all of this again you can do on Card very simply. I highly recommend it. And if you're struggling with all these sort of nonsensical approaches to starting a publishing business or selling content or building a brand as an online agency or as an affiliate or whatever it is that you're doing in the world, I really recommend using Card to launch your thing. All right, so if you have any questions, as always, feel free to ask. You can sign up for Card using our affiliate link below. If you do that, send me an email, mindfulmarketplace@gmail.com, and I'll send you some extra Card tutorials that I've done. And really, it's really that simple. This is something that people overcomplicate and they try way too many shortcuts. A good email and a good piece of software like Card gives you the ability to sell your services very, very quickly. And again, I can't over stress this enough. You can just copy all. I mean, so once you make a landing page like you see here, all you have to do is copy it over and over again, whether you're doing that for clients and then customizing it to their individual copy or needs, colors, or otherwise, or whether you're selling affiliate products. It's all the same thing. The speed at which you can optimize and iterate and kind of, get your stuff live in the world is phenomenally impressive, and it really does work. Okie doke. Teach what you know, do what you love. Wake up the world with your work. Thank you so much, as always, for watching. And if you have questions, feel free to ask. Thanks.